Welcome to today's video discussing about benefits of chia seeds at night. Every night, millions of people around the world struggle with various health issues, digestive problems, high cholesterol, poor sleep, and even inflammation. These issues not only disrupt daily life, but also increase the risk of serious conditions like diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and obesity. Over 30% of adults suffer from chronic insomnia. 1 in 10 people worldwide experience bloating and indigestion daily. Diabetes affects over 537 million adults globally. But what if the solution was as simple? A tiny superfood that works while you sleep, helping your body heal, digest better, and wake up feeling lighter and more energized. Tonight, we reveal the surprising power of chia seeds and why eating them before bed might be the health hack you've been missing. Before we jump into the video, a quick reminder. This video is just for education purposes only and is no substitute for medical advice or care. Starting at number 1, improves digestion and gut health. Imagine waking up feeling light, refreshed, and energized. No bloating, no discomfort, just a happy gut ready to take on the day. Sounds amazing, right? The secret lies in a tiny but powerful superfood, chia seeds. These little seeds are loaded with fiber, and when soaked, they form a gel-like consistency that acts as a natural detox for your digestive system. Think of it as a gentle overnight cleanse, sweeping away toxins, improving bowel movements, and keeping your gut healthy. If you struggle with bloating, constipation, or slow digestion, chia seeds can be your new nighttime best friend. But that's not all. Chia seeds also feed the good bacteria in your gut, creating a balanced microbiome that enhances nutrient absorption and overall health. While you sleep, these seeds work silently, reducing inflammation and ensuring your digestive system is functioning at its best. For better digestion, drink chia seed water before bed. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. Stir well and drink it 30 minutes before sleeping. This helps promote smoother digestion and prevents bloating overnight. You can also make a chia pudding by combining 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a cup of almond milk and a drizzle of honey. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Enjoy this creamy treat as a fiber-rich bedtime snack to support healthy digestion. Coming at number 2, support heart health. Did you know heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? But what's really behind these problems? Poor diet, high cholesterol, obesity, smoking, stress. All these factors can damage your heart over time, leading to blocked arteries, high blood pressure, and heart attacks. Now here's the good news. These tiny superheroes called chia seeds can be your heart's best friend. Chia seeds are a powerhouse for heart health, thanks to their impressive omega-3 fatty acid content. Specifically, they are rich in alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a plant-based form of omega-3. Just 2 tablespoons, about 28 grams, of chia seeds provide approximately 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, which is more than what you get from a serving of some types of fish. Scientific research published in the Journal of Nutrition has shown that ALA can reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and improve heart function. Moreover, the American Heart Association, AHA, emphasizes the importance of omega-3 in maintaining cardiovascular health. Chia seeds are also high in soluble fiber, which helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and maintain healthy blood pressure. By incorporating these nutrient-packed seeds into your evening routine, you may support lower cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, and overall better heart health. Next, number 3, support bone health. Did you know that as you age, your bones naturally lose strength and density? This process, called bone loss, is common, but it doesn't have to slow you down. Factors like calcium deficiency, hormonal changes, poor diet, and lack of exercise can speed up this problem, making bones brittle and fragile. Here's where chia seeds come to the rescue. Just 2 tablespoons of these tiny seeds give you 18% of your daily calcium needs, more than many dairy products. And that's not all. Chia seeds are loaded with phosphorus and magnesium, essential for building strong bones. Plus, They contain boron, a lesser-known mineral that helps your body absorb and use calcium effectively. According to research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, magnesium-rich foods like chia seeds help boost bone density and prevent fractures. So, want stronger, healthier bones? Add chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or even water. It's simple, delicious, and your bones will thank you. Next, number 4. Improve sleep quality. Chia seeds can naturally improve sleep quality due to their high content of tryptophan, an essential amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin and melatonin, two key hormones that regulate sleep. Research shows that serotonin promotes relaxation and reduces stress, while melatonin controls the sleep-wake cycle, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral linked to improved sleep quality. Studies suggest that magnesium helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia symptoms. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds also play a role in balancing sleep hormones and reducing nighttime restlessness. Consuming chia seeds before bed may lead to deeper, more restful sleep, making you wake up feeling refreshed. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with a glass of warm almond milk. Let it sit for 15 minutes until it thickens. Add a dash of cinnamon or a teaspoon of honey for extra relaxation benefits. Drink this 30 minutes before bed to help calm your mind, stabilize blood sugar, and promote restful sleep. Next, number 5. Weight loss. Chia seeds are a game changer when it comes to weight loss, thanks to their high fiber content. About 10 grams per 2 tablespoons. These tiny seeds help you stay full for longer, reducing the chances of late-night snacking. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water, expanding in your stomach and creating a sense of fullness. In addition to fiber, chia seeds are a great source of plant-based protein, which helps control appetite and supports fat metabolism. Studies published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggest that a high-protein, high-fiber diet can significantly reduce cravings and help manage weight over time. Next, number 6. Prevents cancer. Did you know that a simple spoonful of chia seeds could help protect your body from cancer? Yes, these tiny seeds are packed with antioxidants, nature's defense against harmful free radicals that damage cells and trigger cancer growth. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a powerful omega-3 fatty acid that research shows may slow the spread of cancer cells, particularly in breast and cervical cancers. And let's not forget the fiber. With a whopping 10 grams of fiber per 2 tablespoons, chia seeds keep your digestive system healthy and lower the risk of colorectal cancer by flushing out toxins quickly and efficiently. Finally, on our list, number 7, improve sexual health. Chia seeds are a natural booster for sexual health, backed by science. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood circulation, a crucial factor for better sexual function in both men and women. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine highlights that improved blood flow can enhance arousal and sexual satisfaction. Chia seeds are also a great source of zinc, a mineral essential for hormone production, including testosterone, which plays a key role in libido and reproductive health. Research in the Journal of Reproductive Biology suggests that adequate zinc levels can boost fertility in men. Additionally, chia seeds contain magnesium, which helps reduce stress and anxiety, factors that often hinder sexual performance. The high protein and fiber content in chia seeds also contributes to sustained energy levels, preventing fatigue. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet may naturally support sexual wellness and vitality. From boosting heart health to supporting bone strength, improving digestion, and promoting better sleep, chia seeds truly deserve their superfood status. With all their amazing benefits packed into these tiny seeds, it's clear that adding them to your diet is an easy and natural way to improve your overall health. So, what are you waiting for? Start including chia seeds in your meals today and experience the transformation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong.